Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Arcus, another love reading, timeless and general. Take what resonates lang po. Maybe some part of the reading makaresonate kayo, some part of it hindi. Tingnan natin ngayon kung anong love connections, lessons in life and guidance ang ating mababatid for this reading. Spirit guys, send me messages. Anong love connections ito, lessons in life and guidance ang nais ninyo ipabatid sa amin. Mga aral at gabay sa buhay, pag-ibig, mga love, lessons, guidance, mga wisdom, anong love connections ito. Spirit guys, send me messages. Anong love connections ito, lessons in life and guidance na nais yung ipabatid. Anyway, when you do your manifestations, first do the meditation. Importante na ma-clear out ang mga negativity sa inyong thoughts and feelings para makapasok ang mga positive energies. Kasi when you do the meditation, it clears yung ini-inhale ninyo is positive energies. Yan yung exhale, it cleanse out all your mga negativity. Diba sa sarili mo, when you are in pain, hatred, whatever, kailangan mo nang ma-clear out yung mga yan. So that we can connect directly to the universe, to God, to the higher source, to the one, when we are doing our manifestations. Kasi importante na ma-clear out muna at kalmado ang ating isipan, ng ating buong pagkatao yan. Okay? So, yan. Spirit guide, send me messages. More messages, Spirit guide, about love, guidance, life lessons. Spirit guide, send me more messages. Okay, I think this is enough. Tingnan natin ang mga mensahe. This is 3 of Wands, 8 of Cups, 2 of Cups, 6 of Wands, the Moon, 10 of Pentacles, 3 of Swords, and 4 of Swords. So I can feel so much pain in this connection na para kasing ito, your person left you behind. Kung online man yan, LDR kayo, biglang ghosting na lang for whatever reason, hindi na lang siya nagparamdam sa'yo. Kung magkasama na kayo, naman kayo is, wala, bigla na lang siya umalis nang walang paalam, or bigla na lang siya umalis sa buhay mo without giving you any, sabihin natin, valid reason. Kaya naman, you are so much in pain. You are being heartbroken. May mga panahon pa, mini-message mo siya, pero wala na talagang paramdam sa'yo. Maybe kasi takot siya. Hindi niya mapanindigan ang kayong dalawa. Kaya there's so much mystery. Because you don't know what's really the reason. Pwede naman na wala na lang, na fall out of love na lang. Bigla na lang siyang umalis. Maybe, meron na siyang someone. Pero ikaw naman siya, parang you are, diba, parang nag-chase ka pa rin. Because there's so much pain, because you love that person, but you don't understand what really happened to you and to that person na wala na. Or totally, hindi na rin talaga nag-workout pa ang iyong relationship. Kaya minabuti na lang din ang person mo to leave, to left, or ikaw rin naman yung energy na yon. Pero there's so much pain, you are really heartbroken, you don't know what to do, every day you cry. Ganun ka kasakit yung naranasan mo at yung naramdaman mo. Especially when you really love that person. Pero if it doesn't works, then ano pa mang gagawin mo? Hindi naman talaga madali to let go, to move forward with your life. Pero, ayan, you are emotionally burnt out na eh. You just want to take a rest. Gusto mo na magpahinga sa araw-araw mong pag-iyak. And you all have to do is to accept and to just explore yourself, to let go. Letting go doesn't mean that you are weak. Letting go means that you are strong. Because when you let go, you trust the process and you trust God. Ayaw mo na eh, kasi ayan o, you're emotionally burnt out na and everyday ka na lang umiiyak. Ayaw mo na, ayaw mo nang isipin pa. Pinakawalan mo na lang yung pain na yun at alalahanin na yun kay God, sa universe. You know, there's so much pain, pero when you let go to God, you let go to the universe, there will be a blessing in disguise because you are taking it to their hands, not yours anymore. For whatever reason you felt heartbroken, there will be someone just right for you. It will lead you into someone na yung karapat-dapat pala para sa'yo. Kasi baka naman pinagpipilitan mong bumalik yung nakaraan, hindi naman pala siya karapat-dapat, but there's someone, ayan o, you are sharing the same feelings. You are sharing the same love. And that person can give you and lead you to a success in relationship. It will be successful this time because your family and friends will be glad, will be very happy for you, for both of you, because you are happy together and there's so much love between the two of you. Ganun naman talaga, kapag nasaktan ka, pahinga mo lang yung puso mo para mabuo muli. Kasi kapag durog na durog ka dun sa isang taong yon, you have to let go of that pain so that you start healing. Kasi kapag hindi mo na-let go yun, hindi ka nag-move forward, ayan, you will not heal. Just always pray so that there will be guidance for you to heal from that being broken-hearted, and that the universe or God will lead you to the right person. Diba? Iniwan ka na niyan. Kung hindi mo tinanggap, patuloy ka rin ng magdudusa. But when you let go and to move forward with your life, dun mo mararamdaman, gagaan yung pakiramdam mo because magtitiwala ka na lang kung ano yung plan para sa iyo ng universe or ni God. And yung plan na yon is to lead you to the right person. The one na talagang pakamamahalin ka at pagiging masaya ang lahat para sa inyo. And that will lead you to building a family together with abundance of love and abundance of wealth. Diba yung, kung ano yung mga akala mo wala ng pag-asa pa, pero yun naman pala, darating naman pala yung tamang tao para sa'yo. Yung ibibigay sa'yo. And you will feel so much love. Yung isang taong mag-aalaga sa'yo. So, kung nandiyan kayo sa mga panahon that you are heartbroken, let it go. Don't waste your time and energy to that wrong person. Just let it go. Let go of the pain. Ialay mo na yung sakit na yan kay God. Hayaan mo na siya to heal you para maging buo ka ulit at maging ready ka na kapag pinakilala na niya ang the right one for you. Meron talagang isang taong totoong itinakda para sa iyo. Kaya wag mo nang pagpilitan kung yung isang taong umalis. Hayaan mo na siya. Maybe kapag pinagpatuloy mo lang yun, lalo ka lang masasaktan. Ba? There is someone na talagang para sa iyo, who will value you, you will make you feel so much love, peace of mind, and so much love, and full of abundance, and abundance of love and wealth. Magiging maganda ang iyong kabuhayan at uunlad kayo ng uunlad. Because there is so much respect and love to each other. Tingnan po natin ang angel message para sa inyo. Ayan, wedding. This situation involves marriage. Maybe this is the right person for you because this person will be committed to you. This person will love you. Paninindigan ka and will be very committed to you. That's why it involves marriage. So, siya yung tamang tao para sa iyo. And it will lead you to this abundance of love, abundance of wealth, isang maunlad at masayang pagsasama, punong-puno ng pagmamahalan, building a family together. Kaya naman, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Don't lose hope in love. Just let it go and let God. Okay? So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me Facebook and TikTok. Have a good day.